Welcome back, lads. Another episode from us at Garage 36. Doing a bit of work on the Mazda Mx5, which you can probably see in the background. We've done a few videos on this before, so we thought we'd do another one, keep you updated on the progress. It's basically we're putting some bolt-on arches on. The old arches are quite rusty, so the customer opted for some bolt-on arches. So we're going to get that done and film as much as possible. Stay with us, and remember, if you're watching the video, to subscribe and like. Thank you very much. Mazda Mx5 is going to get some bolt-on arches. So these are the arches we're fitting to the MX5. I think they're for an MX5, I don't think they're universal, but seem alright, and that's where he got them from. SEK Customs. So the arches on the MX5 cut out, give more clearance when we lower it and add the wheels and spacers. So next up now is get some rivets and get the arches riveted on.
Oh! Yeah. Where are they? I get your goosebumps every time that it feel.
So the MX5 arches are all on and fitted some 50mm spacers. Give you a look at the car. Could do it being a bit lower on the back, but that's as far as it'll go on the tying coilovers. Give you a view. So it sits much better. The owner likes it anyway. It was his choice to have the arches. It gets rid of the rust on the back. You see, needs a good clean. But once again, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.